Hello, today I'm going to be trying my sauerkraut. It's been about 10 days and I'm going to turn this down. So I have two forks here. One is for getting the sauerkraut out and the other one is for eating. So I had to rig a small piece of plastic that I got from a to-go container. You know, you go to the supermarket or the Chinese restaurant. So I clipped it with scissors to fit this container, and then so this is what I did. I put it in, but that floats on the top. So then I got this small glass and I put it inside and that pushed it all down. So that works very well. So big fork is for removing the contraption. And I use red cabbage, Savoy cabbage, and regular green cabbage. And here comes the moment of truth. Okay. It's really good. Mm. Mm. Crunchy. Excellent taste. Mm. I could have had this, I could have had just one jar, but I didn't want to overfill the other one. I wasn't sure. So, double thumbs up. It's really good. The taste is amazing. Mm. Very healthy. Mm. Well worth the time and the effort. It was very easy. No, double thumbs up.